These timeless wedges will be perfect for you to wear to a wedding this summer. These have a pebbled leather upper, making them very durable, and I love the little peep toe design. You can slip into these and use the adjustable buckle closure on the ankle strap to really give you a custom fit around the ankle. They offer a soft leather lining with a padded footbed so you can dance all night long on the dance floor. I love this little contrasting piece at the midsole, and this cork wedge heel will boost you up a little over 3 inches in height. Underneath they feature a grippy outsole, and these will look super cute with a midi dress.